Subtitle editing and text workflows just got a major upgrade in Filmora. This update introduces several improvements designed to make subtitle creation faster, editing more organized, and text animation easier to control. In this video, we'll explore all the latest subtitle and text enhancements and see how they improve the editing experience. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Speaker-based subtitle customization. The subtitle workflow is now more flexible with improved speaker-based customization. Start by generating captions in Filmora, and they will appear on a new track right above your video. From there, please speaker one caption on track 2. Then you can quickly adjust the subtitle appearance, such as font, size, color, and style, to better match different speakers or visual preferences. Or you can select a different template for different speakers, and then select the Apply to Current Track from Apply Changes button. This makes subtitle styling more organized and gives greater control when working with multi-speaker content or customized caption layouts. Subtitle editing unified into Properties panel. Speech-to-text subtitle editing has also been streamlined. Subtitle editing controls are now unified inside the Properties panel, bringing commonly used editing tools into one location. You can edit subtitle text, adjust appearance, modify subtitle settings, fine-tune subtitle behavior. Also, you can add more subtitles or merge them together, all without switching between multiple panels. This creates a cleaner and more efficient editing workflow. Quick text added to resource area. Quick text is now available directly inside the resource area. This makes text elements easier to access while editing and helps speed up adding titles and text overlays to your timeline. Or select your SRT file by selecting My Subtitles. Simply browse, select, and insert without interrupting your workflow. Optimized quick text insertion at cursor position. Text insertion has also become smarter. Quick text now inserts directly at the current cursor position on the timeline. Instead of repositioning text after adding it, your content appears exactly where you intend to place it. This makes timeline editing more accurate and efficient. Supports Spatial Text plus Text Keyframe expansion. Filmora now supports Spatial Text, giving creators more flexibility when designing text layouts and visual effects. Use the text setting. In the Transform section, you can change the text X and Y offset and make it appear in the 3D space. Or you can mix it with rotation and position to give you text a dynamic look. Along with that, Text Keyframe functionality has been expanded. Keyframe the color, outline color, shadows, glow, and more. Also now use Keyframe Graph Editor on Text Transform for smooth text animation. These improvements give editors greater creative control over text animation. With these updates, Filmora makes subtitle editing and text creation faster, cleaner, and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!